Chapter 10 String in Python. Learning objectives: string, string operations, indexing in string, slicing in string, built-in string functions, string constants. Introduction. Python is an object-oriented high-level programming language. You have studied about the basic data types of Python in previous class, which includes int, float, etc. Data types can be categorized as mutable data type and immutable data type. Mutable data types include list and dictionary. Immutable data types include numbers, string, and tuple. You will study about string in this chapter. String. A string is defined as a sequence of characters. To define a string, you must enclose it into single, double, or triple quotation mark. For example, str1 is equal to this is a string. str2 is equal to this is a sequence of characters. str3 is equal to this is an immutable data type. A single quoted string cannot hold other single quoted character in it. For this, you need to add it in double quoted string. For example, str is equal to this is a string. A string is a sequence of characters. This is a wrong statement. str is equal to this is a string. A string is a sequence of characters. In the same way, you can add a double quoted string in triple quoted string. For example, str is equal to this is a string. A string is a sequence of characters. String operations. Concatenation. Concatenation is a string operation which is used to connect the two or more strings. For this, plus operator is used. For example, suppose we have two strings, good and morning. To concatenate these two strings using plus operator, type the code as shown in the figure. You have observed that there is no blank space between these two strings after concatenation. To add space, you need to modify the program as shown below. Repetition. Repetition is a string operation which is used to repeat the string specified number of times. For this, we can use asterisk operator, followed by the number which tells how many times a string will be repeated. For example, suppose we have a string by and we want to repeat it 4 times. Membership. Membership operation is another string operation which is used to determine whether a particular character or string exists within a string or not. For this, we use two membership operators, in, not in. For example, suppose we want to find a string good in a given string. In the first print statement, we have checked whether a string good is present in the given string. The answer is yes. Therefore, it has printed true. In the second print statement, we have printed an escape sequence character, (n), which is used to add a new line. In the third print statement, we have checked whether a string good is not present in the given string. The answer will be false, because it is present in the given string. Indexing in string. A string is a group of characters that we have already discussed. But how can we access each character or element in a string? Indexing is used to access the single character of a string. Each element of a string can be accessed by its index value. There are two ways to access string elements. By using positive index value, it is used to access the string elements from the beginning of the string, that is from left to right. By using negative index value, it is used to access the string elements from the end of the string, that is from right to left. For example, the following table shows the accessing of string from left to right and right to left. String PROGRAMS. Index from left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index from right to left. -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Let us create a program to illustrate the use of index operator. Slicing in string. Slicing is used to access the range of characters from the string. Syntax: str, start, index, end, index. Fact file. The range of characters in a string is called a substring, where str is a string, start index is the index number of the substring from where it starts. End index is the index number of the substring from where it ends. Let us create a program to illustrate the use of slicing function. Built-in string functions. The following table shows the various built-in string functions in Python. Function count. Syntax: str.count, sub-str, beg, end. Description: it is used to count how many times a substring substr occurs in a given string str, which begins with beginning index beg and ends with ending index end. Len str. It is used to calculate the length of a string str, including blank spaces. Digits. Digits str. It is used to find out number of digits in a string str. Max. Max str. It returns the highest alphabetic character in a string str. Min. Min str. It returns the lowest alphabetic character in a string str. Find. Find substr, beg, end. It is used to find the substring substr in the given string str, which starts with beginning index beg and ends with ending index end. Lower. str.lower. It returns the copy of string str by converting uppercase letters into lowercase. Upper. str.upper. It returns the copy of string str by converting lowercase letters to uppercase. Swapcase. str.swapcase. It converts all the lowercase letters to uppercase and all uppercase letters to lowercase in a string str. Join. str.join seq. It joins the string elements in a sequence seq with the separator. Replace. str.replace old, new. It is used to replace the occurrences of old string old with new string new. Is_al_num. str.is_al_num. It returns true if there are only alphabets and numbers in a string str, otherwise it returns false. Is_alpha. str.is_alpha. It returns true if there are only alphabets in a string str, otherwise it returns false. Is_digit. str.isDigit. It returns true if there are only digits in a string str, otherwise it returns false. Is_title. str.isTitle. It returns true if the string str is in title case, otherwise it returns false. Is_lower. str.isLower. It returns true if the string str is in lower case, otherwise it returns false. Is_upper. str.isUpper. It returns true if the string str is in uppercase, otherwise it returns false. Is_strip. str.isStrip. It is used to remove the blank spaces on the left of the string str and returns the string. rstrip. str.rstrip. It is used to remove the blank spaces on the right of the string str and returns the string. Is_space. str.isSpace. It returns true if a string str contains only blank spaces in it, otherwise false is returned. Split. str.split. Sep. Max split. It splits the string str into substring using separator. The argument maxSplit is optional with default value 0. Partition. Partition separator. It partitions the string str at the first occurrence of the separator and returns the string partitions. Starts with. Str.starts with prefix start end. It returns true if a string starts with given prefix, otherwise it returns false. Ends with. Str.ends with suffix start end. It returns true if a string ends with the given suffix, otherwise it returns false. Is identifier. Str.isIdentifier. It is used to check if a given string is a valid identifier or not. Capitalize. Str.capitalize. It returns the string with the first character of the string as capital letter. String constants. String constants. Description. Syntax. ASCII uppercase. It displays the string in uppercase letters. String.ascii uppercase. ASCII lowercase. It displays a string in lowercase letters. String ASCII lowercase. ASCII letters. It displays all the letters whether they are in uppercase or lowercase. String ASCII letters. Digit. It displays all the digits in a string. String.digit. Punctuation. It displays all the punctuation characters in a string. String.punctuation. White space. It displays all the ASCII characters in a string with white space included. String.whitespace. Printable. It displays all the printable characters in a given string, which may include all the uppercase and lowercase characters, digits and punctuation characters. String.printable. Let us create a program to illustrate the use of string constants. Quick backup. Python is an object-oriented high-level programming language. Data types can be categorized as mutable data type and immutable data type. A string is defined as a sequence of characters. To define a string, you must enclose it into single, double, or triple quotation mark. Concatenation is a string operation which is used to connect the two or more strings. Indexing is used to access the single character of a string. Slicing is used to access the range of characters from the string. There are various built-in string functions in Python.